So when does no contact actually start working? It's been asked over and over and over again. Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you for joining me today on Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel that has been developed with the sole purpose of helping you navigate relationship challenges. We ask ourselves, okay, so we implemented no contact. By the way, I haven't done anything in the last 15 days. Nothing's happened. When does it really start working? When am I able to really reap in the results of no contact? And you've already done it without realizing. And that's if you've created a new identity, an independent identity from your ex. So what does that mean? When we are in a relationship, we tend to mirror some of our ex's emotional behaviors. Not only that, we have things that we did together. So we can jog at 5 o'clock in the afternoon together. We can go to the gym together. We can do certain things together. And basically, we, through osmosis, become a little bit one. When you are in no contact, it allows you to recapture your authentic self. It allows you to rebuild that identity of being independent from your ex. And that means that it starts working as soon as you implement no contact. When you focus on the process instead of the results, what does that mean? When we focus on the result is, once again, when is he coming back? Why hasn't she called? What is going on? We're so focused on seeing what the result of no contact is that we're not enjoying the journey. And the journey is almost as important, if not, than the destination. So it's important to really focus on the process of doing your own thing, becoming your own individual self. Get a haircut, look the best that you can, work out, do whatever it takes to really take you to a level and understand, repeat it to yourself over and over and over. You cannot lead from behind. You have to position yourself to be in a position of strength. That is very important. And you, in order to be able to do that effectively, you cannot be driven by fears or emotions, specifically negative emotions. I'm not good enough. She went with someone else because he's smarter, he's handsomer, he's got a better car, she's prettier, she's this, she's that. No, once we start doubting ourselves, we start literally behaving in that way of being, meaning we devalue ourselves. We put them on a pedestal. And when you put anything or anyone on a pedestal, that which compares to them is devalued, without a doubt. You need to implement an authentic personal transformation. And with that comes a complete change of attitude. Once you're able to develop that change of attitude, you'll notice that a new you becomes to flourish. And that new you is the one that we are going to reintroduce at the time that we go back to make some contact with our ex. Interesting enough, when we were saying no contact, one of the biggest fears is, but how am I supposed to get my ex back if I'm not contacting them? And that's true. It's not a permanent situation. You should understand that it's just temporary. And it's not a one-size-fits-all. If you had a relationship that only lasted a couple of months, I'm not going to suggest to have 60 days no contact. It doesn't really make too much sense. Likewise, if it's a long-term relationship, we might look at something like that. It depends on so many different factors. How many bridges were burned? What led to the breakup? How do we respond when they do contact us? So again, it sounds like a very ABC strategy, but it's really not. And that's why a coach is essential. A coach is able to guide you so you don't make any more mistakes along the way. Please feel free to book a session with me. It would be my pleasure to show you the intricacies the seductive way of being able to once again reconnect, to demonstrate to yourself that the no contact is working, has worked, and will forever work, because from it, a new you has evolved. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button below and leave your comments. I'd like to answer each and every one of them. I look forward to hearing from you. Until next time, I'm Coach Abby.